Hey yo, it's Megamouth, and tonight from Dairy Queen DQ, one of their new blizzards, the Dipped Strawberry Cheesecake Blizzard. What score does this one deserve? I will say it's hard to mess up a dessert, especially at Dairy Queen. Almost everything they have is good to great, and I think this one it's one of the new ones, and it is good. I'm not sure it's an all-time classic. It probably will come and go off the menu a couple of times to be my guess. Basically, it's got their typical vanilla ice cream, some chocolate pieces, and some strawberry syrup, and some cheesecake pieces in it. And honestly, I'm tasting the chocolate a lot more than the cheesecake. The cheesecake is actually, considering it's kind of the focal point for this one, it's a little bit missing in action. I don't think it's bad, it's just not one of the greatest ones I've ever had. So I'll give it a score of 3 out of 5. It's just okay. This is Mega Mouse signing out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.